Google just dropped something huge. Gemini 3 is here and it's completely crazy. You can now tap on images and they explain themselves, generate videos from photos in seconds, build interactive diagrams that teach you. The AI can even run tasks for you automatically. This isn't just an update, this is a total game changer. If you're a student, creator or business owner, you need to see this. Today I'm breaking down everything new, the stuff that actually matters and how you can use it right now. Let's get into it. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So Gemini just got a massive update, and when I say massive, I mean it. This is Gemini 3. Google is calling it their most intelligent model yet, and they're not lying. The way this thing understands context is wild. You can throw complex questions at it, it gets it. The responses are smarter, better formatted, and more helpful. But here's where it gets really interesting. The app itself got redesigned. There's now a My Stuff folder where you can organize all your images, videos, and created content in one place. No more searching through old chats trying to find that image you made last week. Everything is organized, everything is easy to access. But wait, there's more. Gemini now has something called generative interfaces. What does that mean? It means the app adapts to your prompt. If you ask for a visual layout, it gives you a visual layout. If you need an interactive diagram, it builds that. The AI understands what format makes the most sense and delivers it automatically. No extra work from you. Now, here's the part that blew my mind. Interactive images, let me explain. You know those complex diagrams in textbooks? Biology diagrams, anatomy charts, chemistry structures. They used to just sit there static. You had to figure them out yourself, not anymore. Now you can tap on any part of the image and Gemini explains it. You tap on a part of a cell, it tells you what it does. You tap on a muscle in an anatomy chart, it breaks down its function. This is huge for students, huge for educators, huge for anyone learning something new. You're not just reading anymore, you're exploring, you're interacting. The app went from passive to active, and that changes everything. All right, let me talk about image generation. The old tool was called Nano Banana. It was decent, but now we have Nano Banana Pro, also called Gemini 3 Pro Image. The quality is way better. The context awareness is better. It can handle multilingual text and images. The formatting is cleaner. The layouts are more professional. If you're making graphics for social media, presentations, or marketing, this is a game changer. You can create professional looking visuals in seconds. No design skills needed. No expensive software, just you and the AI. But it gets even crazier. Video generation. Gemini now has a tool called VO 3.1. You can turn images into videos. You can control the style, the scene, the characters, the objects, everything. Content creators, listen up. You can upload a photo and turn it into a full video with motion, with transitions, with creative control. If you're making explainer videos, tutorials, or social media content, you need to try this. It's fast, it's easy, and the results are insane. Now here's something for the power users. Gemini Agent. This is rolling out to Ultra subscribers first. What does it do? It performs tasks for you. Multi-step tasks like organizing your inbox, booking appointments, planning trips, managing your schedule. It's not just answering questions anymore, it's doing the work. This is where AI goes from assistant to agent, and it's only going to get better. All right. So if you're loving this content and you want to learn how to automate your entire business with tools like Gemini, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I show you exactly how to save hundreds of hours and scale your business using AI automation. Inside, you'll get access to AI workflows, case studies, and a community of entrepreneurs who are already using AI to transform their businesses. Whether you're using Gemini for content creation, productivity, or customer service, the AI Profit Boardroom will show you how to take it to the next level. Click the link in the description and join us today. Let me give you some real examples. Say you're a student studying biology. You've got a complex diagram of the human heart. Before you'd stare at it, try to memorize the parts, maybe Google each term individually. Now, you upload it to Gemini, tap on the aorta. Gemini explains what it does, tap on the ventricle, it breaks down its function. You're learning faster, you're understanding deeper. This is the future of education. Example 2, you're a content creator, you need to make an infographic for Instagram. Before, you'd open Canva, mess around with templates, spend an hour getting it right. Now, you tell Gemini what you want. It generates the layout, adds the text, formats everything. You're done in 5 minutes. Example 3, you're making a tutorial video. You need visuals to explain a concept. Before, you'd film everything, edit in Premiere Pro, add motion graphics, hours of work. Now, You give Gemini a photo or reference frame. It generates the video with the style you want, the motion you need, the explanation built in. You just saved yourself days of work. Example 4, you're a developer or power user. You want to build an app that auto generates educational content. Before, you'd need multiple tools, multiple APIs, a lot of coding. Now, Gemini has an API. You can tap into the image generation, the video generation, the interactive visuals, all in one place. You build faster, you launch faster, you scale faster. Now, let me show you the before and after, because this is important. Old Gemini could do basic stuff, text generation, image understanding, simple image creation. It was good, but it had limits. The image generation wasn't great. Video creation was almost non-existent for most users. Diagrams were static. You couldn't interact with anything, and there was no agent feature. You had to do everything manually. New Gemini, everything levels up. The multimodal understanding is way deeper. It gets context better. It combines text, images, and data seamlessly. The image generation went from decent to professional. Video generation is now built in. Diagrams are interactive. You can tap and explore. And the agent feature automates tasks. This isn't a small update. This is a total transformation. Gemini went from a smart assistant to a full creative and productivity platform, and that's huge. Let me talk about what this means for you. If you're a student, your learning just got 10 times easier. You can interact with your study materials, get instant explanations, create study aids in seconds. If you're a teacher or educator, you can make better content faster. Interactive diagrams for your students, custom visuals for your lessons, videos that explain complex topics. If you're a content creator, you just got a massive upgrade. You can generate graphics, videos, and layouts without expensive tools. You can create professional content in minutes instead of hours. If you're running a business, you can automate tasks, save time on emails, planning, and organization. Use AI to do the heavy lifting. And if you're a developer, you can build tools and apps faster. You have access to powerful APIs. You can create educational platforms, creative tools, and more. This democratizes creation. You don't need advanced skills. You don't need expensive software. You just need Gemini. Now, let's be real, it's not perfect. Some features are limited to Pro or Ultra users. If you're on the free plan, you might not get everything. The agent feature is only available to certain subscribers right now. If you haven't tried Gemini 3 yet, you need to. Upload a diagram from your textbook. See what happens. Ask it to make an infographic. See what it creates. Try the video generation, see how fast it is. This is the future, and it's here now. If you want to go even deeper with AI automation and learn how to use tools like Gemini to transform your business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. You'll get advanced workflows, expert guidance, and a community of people who are already seeing results with AI. The link is in the description. Julian reads every comment. And if you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with anyone who needs to see it. Because this update is insane and everyone should know about it. I'll see you in the next one.